Jamaicans are known for their forgiving nature, which may benefit Andrew Holness, the current Prime Minister, despite being accused of illicit enrichment. As the leader of the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, Holness has been instrumental in the country's economic growth and national security. Interestingly, the JLP shares similarities with the US Republican Party, prioritizing individual liberty, free market economics, and social conservatism. Both parties emphasize the importance of national security, traditional family values, and personal responsibility. This alignment may contribute to Holness' enduring popularity among Jamaicans who value these principles. Here are some key factors contributing to forgiveness. Economic growth. Holness' leadership has been associated with economic growth, which may outweigh the accusations. National security. His emphasis on national security has improved public safety. Popularity. Holness remains a popular figure in Jamaica with a strong reputation for leadership. However, it's essential to acknowledge the severity of illicit enrichment accusations. In Jamaica, such acts are considered corrupt and punishable under the Corruption Prevention Act. The Integrity Commission, established to combat corruption, has the power to prosecute acts of corruption, including illicit enrichment. Consequences of illicit enrichment: fines and imprisonment. Those found guilty may face fines of up to 2 million or imprisonment of up to 2 years. Damage to reputation. Accusations can damage one's reputation and erode public trust. Loss of public confidence. If proven guilty, it may lead to loss of public confidence in the leader and the party. Ultimately, forgiveness will depend on individual perspectives and the outcome of any investigations or trials. The Integrity Commission's role in combating corruption will be crucial in determining Holness' fate.